Today is Tuesday, July 29th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado 1-year specific braking assist Hydrobooster. This is the original vintage 129-813F, made by Bendix for General Motors Cadillac for the Eldorado. It is specific to Eldorado 1976 only, as it has the large casting, the large monolithic body, and the large accumulator. Okay, so this is very specific to 1976. 1976 was the first year introduction for these Hydroboosters. 1976 is the first year that the Eldorado had power disc brakes on all four wheels, and thereby replacing the configuration in 1975, which was vacuum assist, with this robust, very powerful hydraulic unit. So this unit has been completely disassembled. This is for my friend Steven in Mississippi. This will be shipping out today as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. The unit was completely disassembled. The spooler valve and all the seals inside were replaced. Okay, and in 1976, what we have is a hydraulic fluid-based brake assist actuator in this Hydrobooster, facilitated by delivery of the brake fluid into this portal from the power steering pump. Yes, it uses the power steering fluid cooling circuit, fluid circuit for delivery into the booster, and then evacuates from this portal down to the steering box, and then we have a dribbling valve that goes back to the reservoir of the power steering pump. So this is for my friend Steve in Mississippi. This is a fully restored level 10 show quality unit. This will be shipping out as soon as I get Steven's okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Tuesday, July 29th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.